this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a Google Sheet as your data source inside your Google Data Studio visualization. So there are two ways you can add Google Sheet as a data source. If you're in the general overview, so not in a specific report, in the top you can then hit to data sources and see if your sheet is already added. If not, simply go to the create button and click on data source. And here you can then add your Google Sheet. What might be the case is that you're already inside one of your reports. In that case, you want to hit resource and then click on manage added data sources. Here you can have the add a data source button and then click on Google Sheets. Here you'll find then all the sheets that are available. It might first prompt you to authorize access to that. This might take a few seconds. It's one button click and then you'll be able to add your sheet. From each spreadsheet, you can only add one worksheet as a source. So you'll have to create different data sources if you want to add multiple worksheets as sources. So for instance, in this case, the subscriptions tab is a different data source than the customers tab. So I want to add the subscriptions tab, so I can just hit add. In my case, I already have added it, so I want to click cancel, and then I'll just go back into the report. So I have my Google Sheets subscriptions worksheet here. I'll just close this off, and I then want to create a graph with all the subscriptions from last year. So I'll add a graph here, make it a bit wider, make sure the source is the actual G sheet. As the date range dimension, I want to have the creation date. The dimension, I want to have the creation date as well, and then I want to have a record count. And that way I can see how many subscriptions were bought. If I then want to filter down to just last year, I can do a custom date range and say, just give me last year's data. Apply. So then I have it from 1st of January to the 31st of December 2019. So that's how you can add a data source that is linked to your Google Sheet. If you have any questions on this or run into any errors, just let me know. Happy to help you out and give you some guidance in the right direction. And otherwise, see you in the next video.